Greetings from this wild, secluded, nudist beach spot in Crete. More specifically, very close to Kedrodasos beach and not so far away from Elafonissi as well. So if you continue to walk from the Elafonissi beach and follow the marcation that's yellow and black, you will get into several smaller wild beaches that are very close to Kedrodasos, which is a nudist beach here, and you can be for yourself and enjoy nude on this little piece of heaven here. It looks really amazing. And yeah, it is 26th of April today. It is 1 p.m. and I am on a day tour to explore some of the best beaches on the island. So I have spent already at Elafonissi 2.5 hours almost, and now it's time for the last hour to enjoy. And I have chosen to visit one nudist beach spot, as my nudist beach videos are usually more viewable on my channel. And yes, this is one nudist beach spot that you can find here in Crete. It's amazing. It's brilliant. Alright, cool. Then let's take a swim on this nudist beach spot here in Crete Island. It looks amazing. As I mentioned, only a few hundred meters away from Kedrodasos. That's also like a nudist beach. But there can be also, it's like clothing is optional. But you can find along the coast more beach spots like this to enjoy in the beautiful Mediterranean Sea and the most beautiful nature. Amazing. But yeah, Elafonissi was super amazing. That color of the water, it's brilliant. And there are at least 4 episodes from there. Let's see if I can manage to do one more on the way back, as I will then continue the tour to Falasarna later. So another beach, and there is also one nudist beach over there that I will try to visit, so let's see if I will have some time. But yeah, greetings from this nudist beach spot at Kedrodasos beach, or close to Kedrodasos beach, as I won't have time to go all the way to Kedrodasos, but it's only like 300 meters away from in that direction. Cool, so then let's take a swim. Amazing, brilliant. I just love this type of secluded wild beaches to enjoy here today. Yes, today is day 7 of my vacation in Crete, and what a beautiful way to end the full day, because tomorrow I'm going after lunch back home to Stockholm, Sweden. So greetings from this nudist beach spot close to Kedrodasos beach here in Crete, in the most beautiful nature, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.